What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you're fine, and in whatever you do, hope you succeed in Jesus' name. So guys, I'm really grateful for this wonderful moment. I'm taking it to really appreciate you guys for joining my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for getting us to 980 guys. I'm really grateful. So today's a beautiful Saturday, guys. I want to take you along in just a couple of minutes, hours. I will be taking this moment, guys, with you. I'm taking you guys to town today. We are going to town. I'm going with my 3 kids and my friend, guys. We're going to check out Mare Ducks. Mare Ducks is in THIKA, guys. Let's go and check out. I've been hearing Mare Duck from other people's vlog, but today let's check it out. I saw on Facebook that imefunguliwa THIKA. So guys, that's where we'll be heading. But before that, I'm going to be doing a few activities here at home. Enda tao watoto wakisikia njaa. So I want to karanga githeri, waru and malenge together, and then I'll clean some vyombo. Hizi ziko hapa kwa sink, and then we will go. So guys, let me prepare with you. As we go, I will show you everything along the way until we get there. So tune in, subscribe in case you haven't, finger your like button. Today I'm really grateful for the love and support. Thank you so much. Let's get to work. We are back from Meada. Guys, we came back and we are just chilling here. Salas is eating some chips. There is that bag. There is this boy here, and there is this girl here, and then there is me here, guys. I want to show you wacha tutengeneze curtain juu. It is night, ni usiku. Let me draw the curtain first, like that. So guys, I think it will be only good if I show you what I got from Meada. What I got from Meada right now. So let me unbox with you guys. So let's unbox together as I show you what we got. Remember, everything is 100 Kenya shillings. Woo! So let me show you what we got. That is 100 bob. We got this toy for Ariana. It is a boatish, it's like a boat with an umbrella something.
It's an ice cream, those trees, ice cream trees.
Yeah, ice cream trees, and it is like an ice cream stand. Sweet girl, it looks like this. 100. This kofia 100. Hebu kujuvai kofia yako tukuone. It looks like this. Unaipenda? It looks like that.
Mama ataka
This THIKA inakaa hivi. Hivi ni dinosaur ama ni nini? We got this two bangles. Tunakaa hivi. Moja so. And this one too. Those big. We got kitu ya kuoga. We got this fish for Ariana. I think this fish in a move. Check it. Ariana. Nenda rivers.
unamwekea kwa maji.
Unamwekea kwa maji akioga. Sasa tumeanzana tena.
This is supposed to be me and Ariana.
Yeah.
This is China, Ariana basi. Kama nyumba ya
So, hey, acha niketi. I got these kitchen towels. Ni tuwili. So,
acha
meaning 100 bob. Kutu tu kupanguza kitchen pia.
Uko na hii tu. Acha na yeye.
Paka pia.
Kwani unataka kumkulia?
And then kuna hii. I think nitatumia hii kama ya kudispense asali, honey. Kifuniko yake iko mahali hapa tutaipata tu. And then kuna haka kakikombe kanahitaji straw chalia. Kuona hizo straw kwa Meada, but I think ziko. Then
Mama Liana nakulaga nyanya.
Kwa nini? Mbona unataka kurarua chipo ya mtoto?
Anakunyaga nyanya, sinamkulisha. Anakulaga nyanya. Bana, unataka kutuchana na yeye kama hataki.
Inaonekana kweli. Ama nitafanya haul. And then kuna hii dish. I think inakaa hivi. Kuna tumikono. Mtu egesa anajiasembolia. Unaiwekea tumikono. Kuna tumbili. And then kuna hutu tublada. Nitashuka nayo nywele ya Ariana. Inakaa hivi. I think hizi atasikia uchungu tukimshuka nazo. And then wetu wa mkono. I'm doing a haul. Tafadhali. Hiyo. Toka hapo actually. And then kuna hii another toy. Hii ni hapo saa ngapi na sikuona. Kuna hiyo. And then kuna hii ya kuoga ya CJ. Tada! Ya kuoga. And then kuna hii oil dispenser. I've been wanting this thing for I don't know what while, but here we are. We have it now. Na ni glass. Ni glass by the way. Wow. Ni kazuri. Inakaa hivyo. And then kuna haka kagari. Mlijinunulia toys. And then kuna hii stuff ya kugrate carrot. We are replacing our old one here. And then kuna vikombe. Kuna hii cup. Huyo ni Sally alichukua hii. Kuna hii. Inakaa poa. This thing is very thick. And then nini yetu ya ku China. Oil dispenser yetu kifuniko yake ni hii, unaifunika hivyo. You just place it. It's very beautiful. Beautiful stuff, Inakaa poa. Inakaa hivi. There is this chopping board. It's more like a cardboard. But it's a chopping board. Amazing. Sidhani hii itaingiza ita absorb maji na uko kando kando hata. Inakaa kama ka plywood but plywood kameomoka. Inakaa hivyo. It's a chopping board. And then kuna vikombe. Glasses. We have these glasses. Each glass here was going for 100 shillings. Na hizi ni za red berry. Naziona these two and these two. Zinakaa hivyo. And then tuko na kabag katali hapa. Kanakaa hivi. Ka handbag. Tutuone ndani. Inakaa hivi. This is how it looks from the inside. Iko na hadi ka sponge ya kuifanya isibondeke. Wow. That's how it looks. It's a very cute one. Demure. And then kuna playtime, kuna utu bakuli. Siji alichukua moja, Tali akachukua moja. This is how they look. And the shopping continues to this side. We don't have much on this side, just a little hole. And then there is this container. Hii sijui hadi nimebai ya kuweka nini, but I just bought it. And then we have another tin. This is more like that one. Inakaa kama hii. Inakaa kama acrylic, sijui ni tu plastic. Tunakaa hivi, to clear. Moja ni so, inakaa hivi. Kitu zuri, 100 bob. I got 3 of those. And that's all we got from Meadak. Kenye kamiomoka ketu hapo, 2 bangles. OMG. So this is how everything looks, and that's everything we got here. Everything you see here was going for 100 bob, 100 Kenya shillings. And then after tumetoka Meadax tukapitia Tao, and I got my kids shoes. Kuna hizi Sambaza black. We got this. Na ni mtumba, by the way guys. This is a mtumba samba. It looks like that. Very quality. It looks very good. And for CJ tumemletea hizi viatu. This is how they look. Ashava. Actually alivalia huko akatoa zenye alikuwa nazo. Yeah. So this is how these ones look. Okay. Ni supu sana na ni quality. Thank you for watching this video to this far. I really appreciate, and I don't take you guys for granted. Thank you for this wonderful moment. So guys, in case you are new here, please consider subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. May God continue blessing you. Guys, we are almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really happy and grateful for you guys. May for granted. Thank you for watching this video to this part. My returning subscribers, you are my OGs. Love you to the moon and back. Bye.